us experience life as a linear progression. It's like this. But this is an illusion because every day life presents us with an array of choices. As a result, life should look more like this. And each choice leads to a new path. To go to work, to stay home, and in each choice we take creates a new reality.
Hello and welcome back to Alex SpaceX Talks. Have you ever wondered if there is a second you? Is the world we live in the only one? And what about the rumor that there might be more than one universe? Curious to find out? Then stay tuned and watch this special episode. Today we are going to talk about one of the most intriguing topics in theoretical physics: parallel universes. Are they real or just a figment of our imagination? First of all, what is a parallel universe? Put simply, it is a hypothetical universe that exists alongside our own. In other words, it is another version of reality that is similar to ours but with some differences. These differences could be minor, such as the color of the sky, or major, such as the laws of physics being different. The idea of parallel universes has been around for a long time, but it wasn't until the 1950s that it gained traction in the scientific community. It was then that the physicist Hugh Everett proposed the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that every time a quantum measurement is made, the universe splits into multiple versions of itself, each with a different outcome. Almost everything that has to do with quantum mechanics is, well, not that easy to explain, and for an average guy like me, not very easy to understand either. Nevertheless, I try my best to give you a quick deep dive into the previously mentioned quantum measurement. The measurement process of quantum mechanics can be visualized using the famous Schrödinger's cat thought experiment. In this thought experiment, a cat is placed in a box with a radioactive substance that has a 50% chance of decaying and triggering a mechanism that releases poisonous gas, killing the cat. According to quantum mechanics, until the box is opened and the cat is observed, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time in a superposition of states. However, once the box is opened and the cat is observed, the superposition of states collapses into a definite state of either alive or dead. So, if this theory is correct, there are countless parallel universes, each containing a different version of ourselves and everything else in the universe. In one universe you might be a millionaire, while in another one you might be living on a deserted island. The possibilities are endless. Of course, this is all still just a theory, and there is currently no way to prove the existence of parallel universes. However, there are some tantalizing pieces of evidence that suggest they might be real. One of these is the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles become linked in such a way that their properties become correlated no matter how far apart they are. Some scientists believe that this could be evidence of parallel universes where the entangled particles exist in different universes but are still somehow connected. For example, let's say we have two particles, A and B, that are entangled with each other. If we measure a certain property, such as the spin of particle A, we will immediately know the spin of particle B, even if it is located on the other side of the universe. This instantaneous correlation between entangled particles has been observed and tested in numerous experiments, and it is one of the most puzzling and fascinating phenomena in quantum mechanics. Despite decades of research, the exact mechanism behind quantum entanglement is still not fully understood. However, the phenomenon has been verified in numerous experiments and is widely accepted as one of the fundamental features of quantum mechanics. Another piece of evidence comes from the study of cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the residual heat left over from the Big Bang. Some researchers have found patterns in this radiation that could be explained by the presence of other universes, although this is still a highly controversial idea. So, what would it be like to travel to a parallel universe? Well, it's impossible to say for sure, but it would likely involve traveling through some kind of portal or wormhole. This is a hypothetical shortcut through space-time that could allow you to jump from one universe to another. But even if we could travel to a parallel universe, there would still be many challenges to overcome. For one thing, the laws of physics could be completely different in that universe, so we would need to be prepared for anything. Additionally, we might not be able to survive in that universe, as the conditions could be too hostile to life as we know it. In conclusion, parallel universes are a mind-bending concept that has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction fans alike. While there is currently no way to prove their existence, there are some tantalizing pieces of evidence that suggest they might be real. Whether they are real or not, they represent a fascinating area of research that could hold the key to unlocking some of the deepest mysteries of the universe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!
Everybody ready to say goodbye to our solar system? To our galaxy. Here we go.